Hello everyone, let me introduce Langflow AI. No more drag and drop, simply dictate and AI gets the work done. There is how you can do this. Let's build a simple chatbot. We got the chat input, we got the chat output and the model. Let's connect input and let's connect the output. Okay, here. Let's build a chatbot using Langflow AI. Add OpenAI and connect with chat input and the chat output. It's done. And here we go. Let's run this. Put the API key and let's try it out. Hi. Support this project for future improvements.